first, let's understand what we are trying to do in this when we mean by last digit of the expression, right? So a simple number like 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means 1234. What is the last digit? It's basically this, right? It's also called as units digit, right? It's basically the same when you see find the last digit of the units digit of a number, right? So this is super easy, right? If I even give you a complicated number like what's the last digit? It's fundamentally the last rightmost, so that's 2. What if I ask you what is the last digit of, right? This is a very big expression. I'm multiplying two 6-digit numbers, right? So if we start to keep doing all of it, right? So rather let's just make it simple, right? If I ask you what is the last digit of this, so 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16. Then the way we multiply across it, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22. So 2408 is the value. So the last digit is 8, which is what I know, right? If you see this multiplication, see I'm just multiplying the last digits of both the numbers. 3 6 are 8, right? And then I'm taking some extra to the bottom one and all. And then the next time when I multiply, I'm crossing it. So fundamentally, when the question is asking you to find the last digit, all I need to do is just look at the last digits of the expression and simply do it. So this question is fundamentally same as asking 2 3 4 5 6 into 89643. The last digit per se, like 6 6 and 3 and 3. I've just removed 7 and 1 in this, right? If I keep doing it, 56 into 43, same as finding the last digit of 6 into 3, that's fundamentally 18. So the last digit is 8. So this will also have the last digit as 8. This will also have the last digit as 8. This will also have the last digit as 8, right? The other thing could be on the addition size, right? So if I say 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 7 8 9 6 4 3, again what's the last digit? Just ignore everything else. So that's fundamentally boiling down to 6 plus 3 is 9, right? That's what the whole expression would be. So cool. So the expression could be on the multiplication, could be on the addition, subtraction. If it's asking you to find the last digit, all you need to do is just focus on the last digits of the whole expression and find the last digit. If the question is asking you to find the last n digits, as say per se, let's say last 3 digits, right? Or let's say last 2 digits of 78643 into 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Earlier the one we have done, like let's say 6 7 8 6 4 3. Because it's asking you to focus on the last 2 digits, just focus on the last 2 digits. All I need to do is to just do 53 into 46, right? Let's say I would get again, you have done earlier, right? The last 2 digits are this 2408. So 08. If it's asking for last 3 digits, 643 into 456, I have to multiply, and whatever I get, the last 3 digits are going to be the last digits of 6 7 8 6 4 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's as simple as it. Even if it's asking you to find the last 2 digits, 3 digits, all you need to do is just focus on those number of digits for each of the expression and find the multiplication or addition subtraction accordingly and find the last 2 or 3 or 4 digits. So now let's get to solve some problems to clarify this concept, right? So the first question is saying find the last digit of this big expression, which as we said, right, it's fundamentally same as asking you this. 5 plus 3 is right, 8 plus 4 is 12, so it's 2. So the final last digit is 2. Same one, so it's fundamentally 5, right? I'll just pick the 5, then 3, then 4. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So the last digit is 0 for this, right? So here the question is asking me to find the last three digits of this, right? So I'll just ignore everything else, focus only on the last three, ignore everything else and focus only on the last three. So first question is fundamentally asking me to add 456 and 659, right? So it's fundamentally 215 are the last three digits, right? I just have to pick the last three digits. I won't care about this. So the problem is, sorry, I've done a mistake. It should be 1, right? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus. The answer is 115. When we get to the last two digits of this, I'll just ignore everything else. Focus only on the last two digits of this, and only on the last two digits of this. So that's fundamentally boiling down to finding 56 into 59. Right? 9 6 are 54, 9 5 are 45 plus 50, 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25 plus 3. To only focus on the last two digits, they are 0 and 4. Right? Simple. So just focus on what they're asking. Two digits, focus on two digits. Three digits, focus on the three digits.